County, Hendricks County, southwestern Marion County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My heart is racing.
At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending to 8 miles west of Danville, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Greenwood, Plainfield, Franklin, Brownsburg, Beech Grove, Speedway, Mooresville, Danville, Southport, Avon, New Whiteland, Bargersville, Pittsboro, Brooklyn, Claremont, Trafalgar, and Monrovia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 86 and 127. Interstate 70 between mile markers 55 and 84. Interstate 74 between mile markers 60 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, and Shelby.